That's the legendary waterfall. That's where all the chaos began. The place where we stood, upholding the code of honor, starting with confidence. The roar of the waterfall continues to echo, rumbling in our veins and chest. The roar of faith continues to echo, rusting in the recesses of our body and soul.
That's the legendary waterfall. That's where youth is forged and determined. There's no turning back when a promise is made. The universe bears witness, and nature